AI is extremely good at spending all of your money very quietly. Ramp connects to your AI providers, OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Cursor, and pulls everything into one dashboard. Where should I be looking?
Take two, Mark.
Okay, Will, give it to us straight. How much are you spending on AI?
Ramp's token spend went from a rounding error to roughly 10% of our total payroll costs. It was a little bit higher than 10% of payroll. I'm not sure that I want to admit that. We had a week in May where we spent more than $1.5 million.
Why can't I track AI spend the same way I track software spend?
It's highly fragmented, it's very volatile, and there's no central way to manage it. An API key is like an uncapped corporate card that can result in runaway spend.
So how should we manage our AI spend?
We think about it in 3 ways. See it, understand it, control it. Ramp sends me a briefing, provides recommendations for what we should do differently to drive more savings without compromising performance. You can set a spending limit on any unit, department, person, project, or even individual API key. If a team that normally spends $500 a week suddenly spends $3,000 on a Tuesday, we'll tell you. No surprises. I'm not here to kill the vibe. I'm here to make sure we don't run out of money.